Exciting news! Introducing the McLaren Service Interval software. We're thrilled to announce our latest innovation for McLaren owners and mechanics, McLaren Service Interval software, the ultimate tool to simplify and enhance your car's maintenance. With this software, you can read and track service intervals effortlessly, reset notifications after service completion, adjust intervals to match your driving needs. Choose the version that suits you best. One VIN, designed for DIY McLaren owners. Unlimited VIN, tailored for professional supercar workshops. Fully compatible with J2534 hardware and our security dongle, this software puts control back in your hands. Stay ahead in McLaren maintenance. Get started today.